Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. I haven't done a video in this channel for a very long time, so I'm so excited to share this new bathroom cleaning video to you guys today, and I hope that you'll like this video. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
But you came along and showed me how.
If you guys already watched my previous bathroom cleaning videos, you probably already have an idea on how I clean our bathroom, but you know, I change my cleaning products almost every time, so I think there's always something new in every bathroom cleaning video that I do. The reason that I always change my cleaning products is because I'm still looking for the right one which I feel comfortable using for my bathroom. As of this video, I'm using a different set of products with what I'm using currently. I used to use bathroom cleaning spray solutions because they're easier to use, like you just literally spray it on the surface and leave it on for a couple of minutes and then wipe it clean. But now I decided to try using a liquid solution because I feel like it will clean the surfaces more thoroughly. The downside to this is that it entails a lot more work since I still have to dissolve it in water and rinse it afterwards. But I really do feel it will clean the surfaces even more thoroughly. How about you guys? Do you prefer spray solutions or are you more at ease with wiping and scrubbing your bathroom counters and shower? Let me know in the comment section down below.
You came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. Now my life's an adventure, and you're the reason why.
As per usual, I'm using this biodegradable antibacterial cleaning wipes. This may have been one of my favorite cleaning products so far. That's why I keep on buying this one.
You could never wear me out, even after all of these years. You still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out. Far away from the city lights.
As you already know, I use vinegar solution, which is equal parts of vinegar and water for my mirrors and shower glass. I love using cheap but effective products in cleaning. Who says you have to spend so much, right?
Me out, even after all of these years. You still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out.
The doctor up in here, sir. Okay, another safe way you go.
I was knocked down, heard the countdown through the haze in the face of defeat, yeah. I was ruled out with no bailout on my own, all alone, left to bleed out. But I rose up from the ground, just like I was spellbound. All the odds were against me, so I picked up the pace, and now I'm in the race. Give me some space. I'm a movement and I ain't losing. Gonna go, 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 go. Like a bullet, won't take no bullshit. You should know, no, no, no. Yeah, I rose up from the dead. You worked inside my head. All the odds were against me. But now I'll lead ahead with grace.
So that is it for this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.